This is called the Almonds Cafe and Eatery. Wow, unfortunately it's sprinkling right now. It's 29 degrees Celsius. Hi everybody, it's raining here. Raining season, yes, in Bali right now. This is 1st of December 2023. Selamat sore.
Siang.
Apa kabar bos?
Alhamdulillah baik.
Sehat bos?
Alhamdulillah sehat.
Alhamdulillah.
Selamat siang.
Selamat siang. Apa kabar bos?
Baik.
Bagaimana lancar bisnisnya?
Sepi nih sekarang.
Mana tamunya nggak dibagi-bagi? Makan sendiri tamunya.
Kok dimakan sendiri tamunya habis nanti.
Habis nanti.
Sini toko saya, masukin sini.
Jualan apa ini?
Banyak ada jualannya.
So they got everything here. Bag, ball, oil massage, balloons, tabby holder, yeah, towel, bracelet, necklaces, a lot of dresses. Selamat pagi. Good morning. How's the coffee? Nice coffee? Where are you from? France. Comment allez-vous? Ça va bien. Merci beaucoup. Laundry service. Wash, dry, hold. 1 kilogram for 50k. A leather shop here, it's called Lima Leather. I'm gonna show you this jacket here. This is a bikie jacket. I'm sorry guys, apologize, I had a little bit of cough. So where am I now? Well, this street is called Benesari Street. It's located in between Molasses Street and Poppies Lane City.
Yes.
Selamat pagi bos.
Yes, selamat pagi.
Apa kabar bos?
Baik.
Gimana, ada rame tamunya?
Ya lumayan, musim hujan agak sepi, brother.
Iya, ntar lagi rame.
Ya.
Natal sudah dekat.
Ya, ini tamunya pulang Christmas dulu. Desember baru balik. Selesai Christmas baru balik lagi.
Bukan, ntar pas mau Christmas baru banyak kerjaannya.
Channelnya itu apa, brother?
Ini namanya.
Bali with Bobo.
Ya.
Oke. Jam berapa keluarnya itu?
Sebentar lagi.
2 hari lagi.
2 hari.
Ya.
Oke.
Ayo.
Oke, thank you, brother.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the name of the place. It's called Bali Spa 9. Body treatment, balloonist, body massage, 70k for 60 minutes. Coconut oil, 150k for 60 minutes, and a lot more here. This one, Likey's coffees and wraps. And this is the food. You can order chicken steak, beef steak, tuna steak, mahi, karaage, teriyaki noodle soup, katsu, burrito, nachos, bruschetta, tacos, sandwich, sausage, salad, toast, scrambled, burger, fried chicken. Wow, it's a lot. It's a lot of food you can order here. And this is the address. It's on Benesari number 30 Kuta. Again, taxi studio here. Beans bag.
Hey,
Selamat pagi bos.
pagi berada.
Bali sehat bos.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Jalan-jalan dulu.
Jangan hari ini.
And bike rental here. Warung nyaman. Then if you guys are looking for a painting made to order, this is the place. They can paint dog, they can paint people face. Selamat siang Pak. Gimana kabarnya Pak? Hello tourist. Are you tourist?
Yeah,
How you doing tourist?
good.
Where you from?
Australia.
Australia. Goodbye brother. Goodbye brother. And this is Salon Hana. Selamat siang Pak. Selamat pagi. Sarapan dulu. Ya, makan dulu. And this is called Aggie's. The bar is open in the morning. This is the food you can order here. Chicken schnitzel. And a lot more there. Hey, good morning everybody. How you doing everybody? Selamat siang Pak. And they got here Indonesian food. It's Japanese traditional food. This one here is under renovation. It's gonna be a restaurant. This is one of the small hotel you can find in there. And this is called Public Coffee. Little tiny shop, free Wi-Fi.
Hello.
Hey, good morning. Lucky Bali Spa 7. Now this is called Sea House. Again, there is a Japanese traditional food in here. Stags. And traditional food again. Wow, it seems there are a lot of traditional food here. Well, since it's raining, it's getting harder. I'm gonna walk on the shade. Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video until here, and hopefully you'll enjoy last video. I want to say thanks so much for coming. You have a great day, take care, and don't forget to keep smiling.